Apple's upcoming roadmap for 2026 has sent shockwaves through the tech community, especially as we approach the highly anticipated unveiling of the iPad 12th generation. For years, the base model iPad has been the reliable workhorse of the lineup, the entry point for students, casual creators, and families. But the rumors surfacing this may suggest a monumental shift that could redefine what entry-level even means. We are looking at a device that finally bridges the gap between budget accessibility and pro-level performance, potentially inheriting features we once thought were exclusive to the Air and Pro models. The supply chain leaks out of Asia are pointing toward a total internal overhaul, moving away from the aging architectures of the past and embracing a future dominated by neural processing and raw efficiency. Enthusiasts have been dissecting every bit of code and every leaked schematic to understand how Apple plans to balance the price point while delivering a screen and processor that feel like they belong in 2026. This isn't just a minor incremental update with a new color or a slightly faster clock speed. This is a strategic move to ensure the iPad remains the undisputed king of the tablet market in an era where competition is becoming fiercer than ever. The whispers from the Cupertino lab suggest that the aesthetic of the device is undergoing its most significant refinement since the transition to the all-screen design. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Now, as we dive deeper into the hardware, the headline feature for the 12th generation is undoubtedly the rumored inclusion of the A18 chip. By skipping older generations of silicon, Apple is reportedly aiming to make the iPad 12th Gen a powerhouse for Apple Intelligence. This would mean that the entry-level tablet would have the same AI processing capabilities as the latest iPhones, allowing for lightning-fast on-device language models, advanced image generation, and a Siri experience that actually understands context and nuance. Imagine a $449 device that can handle complex video editing and multi-layered AI tasks without breaking a sweat. This move is designed to make sure no user is left behind as the software ecosystem pivots entirely toward artificial intelligence. It's a bold gamble that makes the current iPad 11th Gen look like a relic of a previous decade. Beyond the silicon, the display technology is expected to receive a subtle but impactful upgrade. While we shouldn't expect tandem OLED just yet, Apple needs to keep some distance between this and the Pro models. The leaks suggest a significantly brighter liquid retina panel with a new anti-reflective coating that has been a major pain point for base model users for years. There are even murmurs about a slightly thinner bezel, giving the device a more premium, modern silhouette that mimics the iPad Air. But the real game changer lies in the battery architecture. With the efficiency of the 3nm process used in the new chips, the iPad 12th generation is targeting a battery life that could realistically push past the standard 10-hour mark, potentially hitting 14 or 15 hours of mixed use. This would make it the ultimate travel companion and the gold standard for endurance in the tablet world. Storage configurations are also finally seeing a long-awaited shift. The days of the 64GB baseline are likely over, with insiders suggesting 128GB will become the new standard to accommodate the massive files required for AI models and high-resolution media. This change alone adds immense value for the consumer, making the iPad 12th generation a much more viable long-term investment. On the connectivity front, we are looking at Wi-Fi 7 integration and a USB-C port with faster data transfer speeds, allowing for better external drive support and secondary display output. The camera system isn't being ignored either. The landscape ultra-wide front camera is being refined with a larger sensor to improve low-light performance for FaceTime and Zoom calls, ensuring that in our world of remote work and digital connection, you always look your best. As we look at the broader picture, the iPad 12th generation represents Apple's vision of a unified ecosystem where even the most affordable tablet feels like a window into the future. It's about more than just specs, it's about the seamless integrate. Ion of hardware that feels invisible and software that feels intuitive. Whether you are a student taking handwritten notes with the Apple Pencil Pro, which is also rumored to gain compatibility with this model, or a professional using it as a secondary sidecar display. The versatility is unmatched. The leaks from this may have painted a picture of a device that is ready to dominate the next 3 to 5 years of the mobile computing landscape. Stay tuned as we continue to track every leak, every rumor, and every confirmed detail leading up to the official launch. Because if these reports are even half true, the iPad 12th generation will be the most important tablet release of the year.